EKB's food review. We're here at KN Chicken, located in Burnaby. It's a Korean fried chicken spot with great price. Let's go check it out. Their menu's diverse, but I just felt like getting the chicken one time for the one time. Ain't that chicken bumping? Ain't that right, Dre?
Yeah.
You want a bite?
Yeah.
I decided to get the sweet spicy and the sweet sour. This is also my first time using chopsticks on this channel, so I just wanted to acknowledge that. I don't know why. The sweet and spicy had the perfect kick. It wasn't too spicy and it was so flavorful. The sweet and soy was a bit too sweet for my liking, but I'll get something else next time. Overall, KN Chicken is a cool spot. Their other options are great as well. I'd have to give it a light 7.5 out of 10.
Where's your EKB review next? Let him know.